Pure excitement collide in memories in motion. Claim your spot in Hometown Square right now for the best seat in the park. The countdown is almost over. Momentarily, 50 years of magic and pure excitement collide in memories in motion. While tradition meaningfully links our past to our present, memories possess the unique power to transform fleeting experiences into enduring legacies. We invite you to journey alongside Alice, unlock your mind's deepest wonders, and behold, memories in motion.
As I reminisce, I think about what makes a day great. Is it the rush of adrenaline? The sound of laughter? Or the anticipation of what's to come? For me, it is something more, something far more precious. I remember it just like it was yesterday. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to waste our summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America.
That's a great idea.
I love it.
Let's go.
All right.
So much time to show someone you know just how you feel. Great America, maybe a great day is just what you need this year. Give me a great day, a day to laugh and live, a day to have, a day to give. Part of me wanted to run right to the eagle, but tradition is tradition.
I know. Let's start at the beginning. A carousel.
All right.
I love that
Sounds like a
idea.
good plan.
Maybe we could.
Let's go.
I'll race you. Wait for me.
It takes us along as it spins to a song. It's a daydream. Can you come on along now? To the carousel, catch up, let's ring for love. Meet a special girl, hold her hand, take a journey on a merry-go-round. It's magic when you're young. Bright as sparkles, decked out in jewels, your knight in shining armor dress. the town. Enjoy your ride on the carousel.
Running round and around every fantasy. Make them leave. Take a journey on a merry-go-round. It's magic. Take a journey on a merry-go-round. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. It's Our day in the park had just begun. After our ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon.
If you live your life, better take a little time for meditating. 'Cause he's waiting, he's a demon. It's time to change your mind, 'cause soon you're gonna find out you're on a trip in the grip of the demon. Have you ever seen the demon? Have you ever heard him scream? Is the demon what he seems, or just a bad dream in your mind? You're gonna find out. The demon. Gonna see the demons, can you see me do? You're only fool for the demon. Didn't we tell you the demon can smell you? You're delicious, nutritious demon. Don't look over your shoulder, just when you're feeling bolder. You'll be there in the air. The demon's so demanding, so have this understanding that you're gonna die. You're gonna find out. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon.
After surviving our run with the demon, we decided to chase a few friendly faces, and I knew just where to find them.
Feast your eyes on that big world outside. It's a fact, step out and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. Never too
we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces.
We know we are going to have a great day.
Today and for the next 50 years to come.
Memories in motion. We hope you have a wonderful evening and have a safe trip home.